Mr. Brown with your friends or your family also?
Yeah, I do come here with
Okay. So do you people buy regular stuff like breads etc. from here also, or only pastries, cakes?
So we do buy bread and all the cakes.
Okay, तो mostly the bread etc. you buy it from shops या फिर यहाँ से?
We actually prefer buying it from home.
Okay, so whenever possible you buy it.
Yes.
Okay. And how frequently it will be?
I think because only two of us are there who family who eat bread, so it's like once in a year.
Okay. So okay, that's and when you have products here, what do you think that sets Mr. Brown apart from other bakeries?
See, they have
taste or
yes, of course, the taste is there, and the most important part is they're very hygienic and it's very safe to opt for anything because it's always fresh.
Okay.
Material is really fresh over here, and besides that, they have a nice presentation.
What all other bakeries have you tried?
So, firstly, we have put for another bakeries for this town.
What all other bakeries have you tried?
Okay. There is bakery JJ of course. JJ is very high with their prices.
Okay.
And they do not give such kind of product which of course.
They have higher prices.
Yeah, they have actually equally higher price.
Okay. But utna quality.
Exactly. They don't have that fresh material over there. What do you get here?
Alright. Have you tried the sweets here?
It's,
And do you like them? You don't like the sweets?
I like
I asked her about them. So, acha, what do you think they can do better over here?
Yeah. Hotels they can do better over here.
That you would like to come more often?
Yes, I would like that they should just, lower down the prices of cakes. Because we want to buy it every time we come here for bread. Because, cake is like, we have, nowadays everybody has it like this for desserts and all.
So would you like to, like अभी आप लोग bikes पे बैठ के खा रहे थे, तो would you prefer if there's a place inside to sit? अभी तो फिर भी it's good weather, but गर्मी में
They had a place. Actually, they had a place inside. There was tables and all. Right now, I don't know. There's some kind of a change that the section there near the water thing that was there. A sitting section, but they've put down their products and all.
So you'd like to have that again?
Yes, of course, we'd like to have it because actually we missed it today. We're standing out and eating.